Hi, I'm Bryan Stuart, and I'm going to address costs of this waterfront project. Let's get straight to the numbers because transparency is key to this process. The total project cost is $15.9 million. It should be noted that this cost includes not just the building, but also earthwork and site improvements, including asphalt and concrete, paving for new driveway and parking areas, new sidewalks, curbs, landscaping, beach area, additional green space, and hardscape. The earthwork and site improvement work totals approximately $1.7 million, bringing the estimated cost to construct the building, including furniture, fixtures, and equipment, at $14.2 million, which is at this time includes 15% contingency to handle unexpected costs. Further, this project cost is a maximum price that will not be exceeded. Here's why we say that. We're using a design-build process for this project. As people may remember, the last 4 major Abbey Springs capital projects, including the turf care maintenance building, the yacht club kitchen, the rec center, and the golf course, were successfully completed on time using design-build contracts. After the project is approved, the architect will finalize construction plans and drawings. Under the current contract with CCI will obtain bids from 3 separate subcontractors for various phases of the work: electrical, plumbing, carpentry, etc. And Abbey Springs, with the assistance from unit owners having construction experience, will select the most qualified and cost-efficient subcontractors for the project to ensure the unit owners are getting the best price. By utilizing this approach, our general contractor is incentivized to finish on time and under budget as they share in the savings.
Once we get the green light on this project, Abbey Springs will utilize about $1 million from its current cash on hand to get things rolling. This money will cover the architect's fees for creating detailed construction plans, as well as other initial construction costs. The month after approval, unit owners will see a monthly assessment of $260. This assessment will run for 15 to 18 months total, covering everything from finalizing the design and getting village approvals through the estimated 10-month construction period.
These funds will be used to pay construction expenses and interest on the loan that Abbey Springs has negotiated with Barrington Bank. By using these funds to pay construction costs during the construction period, the amount owed Barrington Bank on the construction loan will be less, thus reducing the share each unit owner owes. Lastly, Abbey Springs has negotiated a loan with Barrington Bank for construction costs not to exceed $15.9 million, but these loan proceeds will only be available once the final construction documents are completed and construction begins.
Here's how the costs break down. If construction costs come in at the estimated $15.9 million, your total share would be $28,000 per unit, but you won't pay that full amount all at once. Here's what reduces that cost. First, Abbey Springs is using cash on hand for the first $1 million of expenses. This does not reduce the project's costs, but it will reduce your assessment by $1,750 per unit. Second, the monthly $260 payments you'll make during the 15 to 18-month project will be deducted from your final bill. So when construction wraps up, your estimated final payment could be $28,000 minus the $1,750 Abbey Springs paid up front, minus all those monthly payments you've already made.
Based on the process described above and value engineering this project, we anticipate this amount will be less than this, but final numbers won't be known until the project is completed. As with other projects that have improved the amenities at Abbey Springs, think of this as a capital improvement to your property that increases your tax basis and the long-term value of your investment at Abbey Springs. Now let's talk about your payment options.
You can pay in full at the time construction is completed and Abbey Springs knows the share each unit owner owes. You can write one check for this amount and you're done. There are no financing costs and there are no monthly payments. We are currently negotiating with the lender to offer an alternative option: 3 equal annual payments with interest. This would allow you to spread the cost over a shorter period with manageable payment terms. Lastly, you also have the option to finance the cost over 14 years, with principal and interest paid monthly. These payments will be added to your regular Abbey Springs statement. Please note that the loan terms require the interest rate to adjust after year 6 and again after year 11. These adjustments will be based on the prevailing 5-year U.S. Treasury rate at that time, plus an additional margin set by the lender, an interest rate floor, determined when the construction loan is approved, will also apply. As a result, your monthly payment amount will be recalculated starting in year 7 and year 12.
Here are the important benefits. It's transferable. If you sell your unit, you can transfer the remaining balance to the new owner. You can pay it off anytime. There are no penalties, and you can pay the balance whenever you choose. And it's seamless billing, with payments appearing on your monthly statement. Now, how do we ensure competitive pricing? As stated earlier, CCI will obtain bids from 3 separate subcontractors for each phase of the work. That allows Abbey Springs the ability to review these bids before working with CCI to select the right subcontractor for the project. That way, Abbey Springs maintains control over all vendor selections. Why does this investment make sense? We're creating a more efficient facility than our current 50-year-old building. Most importantly, we're positioning Abbey Springs for the next 50 years. Now it's our turn to enhance this incredible lakefront for future generations. Bottom line, this is a smart, well-planned investment with guaranteed costs, flexible options for payment, and professional oversight. We're presenting a complete financial plan that protects your investment while enhancing your Abbey Springs experience. As you can see, we've structured this as a responsible investment with complete transparency. Your email today includes the complete financial breakdown with all the specifics, plus additional details you could reference or share with your family. We need everyone's participation to make this investment a reality.